I'm gonna do an Achilles taping. First you're gonna have a heel pad in the bottom, and you're gonna spray the foot. His foot's already sprayed. And you're just going to pro wrap the lace pad. Now you're gonna do your anchors. So again, the first strip should always be directly on the skin. And you can angle them to fit the shape of his foot. You're going to put 2 anchors around the arch of his foot. Don't forget to splay. And then you're going to get him to go prone. Going to need that tape. Okay, so we're going to put the elastic tape down on the anchor and measure it all the way to the other anchor. And you're going to cut it. So just stick that there. And for now, you'll leave that there. And you're going to do the same thing with another strip. And cut it. So make sure it's stuck down there, and you'll anchor it down. Just make sure you always splay. And for these, you'll cut a little piece in the middle. So for your first strip, you're just going to rip it a little bit to bring the foot into plantar flexion. And you're going to lay it down there. Do the same thing for this one. And lay it down there, and then you're going to hold and ask your athlete to go into dorsiflexion to see if there's any pain. Go in dorsiflexion.
Not a resistance.
It's fine, it's pain-free. Okay, so you're going to relax. And you're just going to close your strips. And just close it here. And that's it. Good?
Feels good.
Okay. Stand up. So you can see that there is space in between. You don't want too much, and you'll put a heel lip in both shoes for the athlete.